Hey, hello. This is Adam.
Hello, Adam. Yes, I Lily.
Lily, where are you? I've been back in Thailand last 2 months. I cannot connect with you.
Honey, please help me.
Where do I send it to you?
I have no money.
Sure. Where do I send it to you?
I give you my account number.
Okay, 1 second. Let me take note. Okay. Lily, please tell me the bank account.
Bangkok Bank.
Bangkok Bank.
1132735.
112. What is it? 112. Perfect. Got it. Yes. I'll do it right away, okay?
Thank you. I love you.
Lilith, I love you too. And we'll be together soon. You take care, all right?
I will call you back, honey.
Love you too. Bye bye, honey.
Honey, thank you. I love you, Adam. Bye bye.